Wanted to take you for a real quick walkabout, as we might say in Australia. This car here is an Indy Autonomous race vehicle. It's normally raced by human drivers. This particular series then took those cars and modified them to essentially be fully autonomous. So there's no little man behind the scene running controls. When this car leaves the pit, it has to do it completely based on the software and the programming that's inside of it. So how does all that work? Let me show you a couple pieces. Here we have LIDARs. What these are is a laser indicating ranger, which basically gives us a bunch of pixels and the distance to each of these places. So we can kind of see from that. And you'll notice that there are 3 up here in the front and 1 at the back. So by adding all those up, we're able to create a full 360-degree LIDAR picture of what the vehicle sees. To support that, we have cameras which have fisheye lenses on it, and you'll notice that there are 4 of them here. Those 4 also create a full 360-degree picture of the car. Looking forward and backwards, we have some of the most state-of-the-art radar units. What these do is give us long-range picture of what's out in front of us, because the sooner that we can identify where we are and where the other competitive cars are, the sooner we can start making good quality decisions about what to do about that. At the very core of what we have to do is know where we are. We've been working with Point One Nav for years now. And as part of that, we've been utilizing their Atlas system, which is a GNSS system. We're constantly measuring where the car is based on that GPS signal corrected with what's called RTK. All that happens over 50 times a second. And absent that, frankly, we wouldn't be able to do this kind of work. And then underneath all of that is a $50,000 computer, another $20 or $30 or $40,000 worth of low-level controllers, another equal number of dollars in actuators, essentially operating the brakes, the accelerator, and the steering, which is all built in here. So you'll notice there's no place for a human if we wanted to put one in here. And all the things that the human would have done is all kind of pushed up to the front and all managed by electric motors and computers controlling them. Those are the primary components: sense, plan, move.